In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Litematica Minecraft 1.21.10. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few things you're going to go ahead and need. The first thing is going to be fabricmc.net. So just go to this link right here. It's going to show Fabric Loader. So this is what you're going to need to load the mod. So just go ahead and download this and download it for Windows and just let it download in the background. Then you can go over to curseforge.com to actually download Litematica. So when you go to curseforge.com, you're going to find Minecraft right here. Go ahead and click on it right here. And then what you want to do is just search for the mods. So I'm just going to type it in right now like this. And then you're going to see it by Massity. So go ahead and click on it. Then go to files. And it's going to show all the different available files that are available. It showed the mod loader. Like I said, you need Fabric. So I'm just going to go ahead and download the latest one. I can press the three little dots right here and then press download file like so. And then it's going to start downloading manually in a few seconds. And yeah, as you can see, it's starting to download. You also want to download another mod as well. So I'll just go back to Minecraft and I want to download a mod called Malalib. So I'm going to type that in right now, like so. And then you're going to see that one by Massity as well. This is something else you're going to have to go ahead and download. Now, the final thing you're going to need is the Fabric API, which you can also just get inside of CurseForge as well. So I'm going to type that in and I'm going to see Fabric API by Modmus. Go ahead and click on it and then just go ahead to files. And then you can go ahead and download the latest version as well. So now once you've downloaded those four things, you're going to see the Fabric API, Malalib, Litematica, and the Fabric installer. And you basically need to see these as a Java file with this icon right here. If you haven't got Java, just go ahead and install it for completely free on your PC as well. So once you open up the Fabric installer, it's going to say launcher location. So that you go ahead and install it on the right Minecraft version. And then it's going to say it's been successfully installed. It's that quickly. I didn't cut anything either. Now, all you got to do is basically put these three mods into your Fabric loader. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the Minecraft launcher and just wait for that to open up. And then I'll show you exactly where to go. So I'm still going to have this in the background. You can close your browser if you want to as well. But now the Minecraft launcher is opening. So all I want to do is go over to installations. I'm going to see Fabric Loader right here. Then I'm going to press open installations folder. It's going to open up like this. Now, all I want to do is make a folder called mods, which I already have done. And there's already mods in here. But all I want to go ahead and do is go to my other folder. Now, once that's open, all I want to go ahead and do is drag and drop these three into the mods folder right there, like this. And now that's it. Everything is done. So now what I could go ahead and do is go to the Java edition of Minecraft. And then I just want to make sure it's on Fabric Loader right here. And then all I want to do is go ahead and click play. It says you're about to play a modified version. Just press I understand the risks and then press play. And then it's just going to be finishing the install like so. And then you'll be able to play it.